Everyone, today is a very happening day at BHS. As you can see that the campus is so beautiful, so green. Let me take a minute to show you our campus. This is our beautiful, spacious, green campus. And today there are a lot of activities happening in the school. The first activity that is happening is the elections for the sports captain and the executive council. And one more thing that is happening is the roti making for students of grade 8, 9 and 10. This activity is to ensure that food is valued and the quality of the food is never compromised, and we always remain grateful for every morsel of food that we receive, that we intake. And I am showing you a glance of how organized the conduction of this activity is. Boys are making roti and there are females of the community helping them to do so. I am thrilled and excited and very grateful to see that I am part of such a community where all these little things are given so much of importance, and there are so many lessons that one can learn from this. We see that in the world there's a lot of debate about men doing household chores or men not doing household chores, but all of this debate comes to an end when we see boys making rotis, making sphere round rotis. All of this talks a lot about breaking the stereotypical inclinations that are attached to food making, especially roti, and also it talks about the significance of roti making. This is an activity that should be learnt by everyone, that should be known by everyone, because roti is an act of love. It communicates how you care for your family, how you place them in your life, and how you prioritize them over everything else. So this food day, we are trying to foster the feeling of love by teaching our young men to learn the significance of roti making. One more clear shot of how the roti making is taking place and how everyone is participating in this. Let me take you down to the ground so that you can have a clear view of how this is happening. All of this happens at Badri High School, a school which promotes culture and inclusivity. Who made these rotis?
Who will do this? This is my roti.